In this video, I'll show you how to download GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and search for Steam. Open the official Steam website and click Install Steam to download the Steam client. Once the download is complete, install Steam and sign in to your account. If you don't have a Steam account, create one and then sign in. After logging in, use the search bar to search for Grand Theft Auto 5 and open the game's store page. If prompted, enter your date of birth and click View Page. Scroll down, click Add to Cart, then select View My Cart and click Continue to Payment. Choose your preferred payment method, enter the required billing and payment details, and complete your purchase. Once the purchase is complete, go to your library, select Grand Theft Auto 5, click Install, choose the installation location, and wait for the download to finish. After the installation is complete, click Play to launch the game. And that's how you can download GTA 5 on your PC or laptop.